Everyone, welcome back to another video. So we're gonna do like a mini haul. Excuse me if I look rough. It's at the end of the day. I'm home from work and I wanted to really do this video before I started to just like tear into the bag and forget completely. Also, the light may not be great because I traded the ability to open my blinds fully for some blackout curtains. So here's the bag from Shein. There's a couple of things in there and got some scissors. Like at this point I can't even remember all the things, but I wanted to show you guys this. You can see the lighting going in and out. Like I'm still at the end of the day and I traded the ability to open the blinds fully. So thing number one, this look like beach shorts for Obi. I got him some white beach shorts. We're going on vacation soon, so some of these things, if they strike you as that, that's probably right. Oh, this cute little romper is for baby girl. It looks a little, not as I'm looking at it, little, but it might work out because the straps are fairly long and she'll be okay. It'll be a little bit short. It has a belt. So it was a belt. I think it's pretty. It's a really vibrant color. Obviously I like mustard yellow. So that's another thing. This is a spray bottle. Just I have one of these, and I put like I make a linen spray that I have in it, and I really like the bottle, so I wanted one for my hair. And since it was right there and I was ordering, I just got one in a little bit bigger size than the one that I had. I don't recall this. What is this? Oh, this is a dress. Ooh, I remember it now. Girl. It's a maxi dress with, as you can see, the back, the cuts of the back is really low and it's got the gathering. Ooh. And it's really long. It's all the way along. Definitely for vacation. Because, yeah. 1000%. Girl, I don't know about girl kind of nice in the back. So I'm thinking this dress will go very well. Not to be vain or anything, but I got it from my mama. That's item number 4, I guess. This right here is just a white swimsuit. It goes across. Yep, this will work on the girls. So so white, and this is a large. I will try to put the picture of each item into the video. I will try. I don't know if I'll succeed, but I will try to do that. And then here's the bottom. Okay. What else is in here? This is something else for the man. I like the color, but the stitching looks a little cheap. The stitching looks a little cheap. And here's the shirt. But yeah, I love my husband's legs. This is gonna be great. So this is a nice fit with the shirts and the shorts. I love my husband's legs. This is a toothbrush holder. Really, it's just so that you know, you go to the hotel and sometimes you don't really have anything to hold. What kind of knife is that? Oh, you don't really have anything to hold your toothbrush. I wanted something for that, so this will do a good job of holding both or all three of our toothbrushes. Like I said, it's just some random things. And this right here is a random piece that I thought would be cute. It's got a handle and it's got like a ring, but it's pretty clear. I like this. It's got a adjusting thing, so you just pull it, and I just thought it was cute, so that's good. Oh, this is like lingerie. I don't that is just for the man. What is this? This is a, oh, this is a cover up for the little lady for the beach. So yeah. This is another phone case that looks a lot like the other one that I just showed you, but this one has a little bit more substance to it. You can see the texture. It's got like a same pull vibe and like a purse pot. Like, I don't know if I'll use that ever, but I thought it was cute, so I got it. This is for hubby. Today's Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, and Father's Day is Sunday, and I'm gonna make him like a little basket. Me and my daughter. We're gonna make him like a nice little basket for dad. So this is something I got that we're gonna put in there. It's his #1 dad. Yeah, that's so cute. Myself with the I said I'm here little. These are perfume bottles. Again, for vacation, it's just so that you can, they're little bottles that you put on top of your perfume and you pump it to fill it up, and then you travel with it. They're smaller than I thought they would be. I got like a pack of 3. They're smaller than I thought would be, but I already have one, and I thought it'd be nice so that we could all bring some, so we could all bring our own perfumes without, you know, the load. What is this? This is another swimsuit, I think. Yeah, here we go. It's another one-piece swimsuit that has a cutout sort of from the back to the side, if that makes sense. Like I said, I'll try to put the picture in, but Lord of mercy, I saw the leg long, but I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't know if this will work for me. Maybe. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but I don't know. Should I do a try on? Do y'all want to see that? I don't know. And Lord, it have more string. String not in it already. Is this extra? I don't know. But swimsuit. More lingerie. Yeah, more lingerie. This is one little tiny, it's one little tiny charm for my Pandora bracelet. One little tiny charm, that's all. And then here's another phone case. This one is also for the husband, for the nice little basket that we're gonna make him. Like, obviously you're not gonna see this before Father's Day, but you know, he's got a little sleek black thing going on, so it's like a thing back here. And you know, sometimes maybe I don't want to bring the whole big wallet or whatever, but I thought this was cute, so we're gonna add this to the little thingy as well. And that's it. Oh no, here's another thing for hubby's Father's Day basket. Oh, it's a cute little keyring. Oh, it's a cute little keyring. Our daughter's so excited for Father's Day. She and her dad, they made plans on, you know, what they're gonna do for me and what they're gonna treat me with, and we've been doing the same thing. So she's really excited for Father's Day. Good girl, tell me, say, because it's Father's Day, she's not gonna come ask daddy for anything. Every time she needs something, she's gonna come to me. But I mean, that's fair, but I'm low-key kind of scared because what? And that's it. That is it. Those are all the things I'm willing to show you. I'm gonna lock my door and somebody a rockle it down. Cut it out. So yeah, that's what I bought. Just some things, you know, some things for vacation. I don't know. I don't really think we need a lot of things. I don't really think we need much of anything more. I know my contours are matched, but don't look at that. Look at this really nice bowl. Whoops. What? This one on some here. Okay, but I'm trying to get you to see the cost. Anyway, it's $5. $5 at Dollarama. They have, man, same. They have the best dishes and cookware, and I got these double-walled glasses. 2 in the box for $5. Sit here. Oh my god. But yeah, they're so nice. I'm low-key mad at myself now that I didn't get 4. Oh, I'm so happy. Let me know if you buy kitchenware at Dollarama, because they're so good, and they're like, the quality is good. It's not like, you know, I really like buying stuff there.
Another round of applause for JJ, everyone.
Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there?
Happy Wednesday. I hope your day was great. Been a rainy couple of days here in Queen City. And I am tired. Yeah, I've been wanting to start back the gym, but it's been weeks and I have not been able to make myself go. I'm so lazy. I started squatting in the shower because I won't go. So I started doing squats in the shower. That's what I mean. I feel like the way I said it before was kind of strange, but what I mean was I've started doing squats in the shower. But what I really want to do is go to the gym. Okay? And I'm too lazy. Like, I'm too lazy to go. Every time I start and I catch a rhythm, the second my cycle starts, I stop, and then it's very hard to go back. So, I was wondering if you guys, all my ladies, do you want to do like a challenge with me? So like a couple of years ago, I remember there was a squat challenge where it was sort of like a build up to where you do a little bit every day until you could do 100 squats. I feel like I want to do that. Do y'all want to do that with me? I don't know how I would work it out, but I feel like it's a good way if you're lazy like me to, you know, slowly build up yourself. And I'm gonna start to go to the gym at some point before my start spin run and the place starts get cold again. And then I'll be wondering what the heck happened. But yeah, I'm hoping. I just, when I tell you it's hard for convince myself to get up. But I'm really feeling like, girlie, the gray hair that might pop up left, right, and center. You're not young green girl no more. Like, you're young, but you're not green no more. You understand? So yeah, I don't know. Hopefully I can do this. And hopefully you all are willing to do this with me. So that's number one. Number two is, when I upload this video, it's gonna surprise you a little bit. Bear with me. I'm testing out new posting times. I'm testing out, you know, what works, what doesn't work. Like, the schedule for me is, I'm figuring it out. Work with me. So this video is gonna be posted on Wednesday, and then I'm gonna post another video on Sunday, and then I'm gonna see how I feel about it next week. If I feel good about it, I'll do another one on Wednesday and another one on Sunday. But I'm not promising. I'm feeling it out. I'm testing the waters to see what works for me and what does not. So, I hope you're having a great week. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And share if you think that you know a lady who might find this content, you know, enjoyable. Like, you want to learn, you want to grow, things like that. If you know people that want to, you know, join a community like that, share with them. And I will see you all in the next one.